everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to go over these shaded boxes. In the past, I wasn't a huge fan of these. The Happy Planner actually came out with a version of these back in the day, and I did not like that book. But Planything has been coming out with these recently, and I've been embracing them a lot more actually, in spreads. So yeah, really turned around when it comes to the shaded boxes because I was not a fan to begin with. I'm just going to go over some different ways to use it if you're still kind of struggling with these boxes, or maybe you never thought to pick up this book because you're not a fan of the shaded look either. But like I said, I'm really turning around when it comes to these boxes. They're just so cute. They add like that nice like punch of color. I'm really enjoying it for like the seasonal spreads. So I mean, like the basic way to use these, of course, is just to put it down and use it as a box. You can write in it. Your pen's gonna show up on it, so you don't have to worry about that. All these colors are pretty, at least from the ones Planything has been using. Like you can write on them. They're not super dark, so that's nice. It's not like you have to use a white pen or anything like that. Usually, like if I have a box like this, I would like to maybe grab a regular box, like one of these, to layer on top of them. I always like to layer boxes so you can layer, add a cute little decorative sticker on top just to make it a little bit more cute. We'll add this little pumpkin coffee like that. Now, one way that I've seen a bunch of other people do with these boxes, and I've started doing it as well because it's a really cute idea. I'm not sure who I first saw do this, but I've been seeing it go around, and I've been doing it again in all of my spreads, is to do like a little outline around the box. Now, I usually use a pen, just any regular pen, usually the ones I use in my planner, and just start drawing some little dashes going around, just leaving a little gap right there. And the great thing about this is it doesn't have to be perfect. It actually looks better, like the more, not all over the place, but not perfect it is. I think it looks nice. But if you want it to be more straighter lines, you can always use a ruler to help you with making the little dashes. But again, I just think that's a cute little touch. A lot of people have been using these that way, and I just feel like just doing that just makes it look a million times better. Love that. Just having that little outline around it. And then of course you can still write in here all your plans. You can still stick like maybe a header in there. You can always do that as well. So yeah, I love doing that. Another way I've been seeing people use these, let me grab another box, which is basically the same idea, but just drawing maybe lines going across. You can kind of have fun with it. You can draw like more lines, make it look, again, not as like perfect, but you got like lines going around like that. Let me layer a circle on top. We'll do like this solid colored circle. Maybe we'll leave that one as it is and do some little like decor with it. I guess I'm going with like a food theme for this example, with these fall drinks. We'll just layer a drink here, layered next to it. I like the layering look of it, but yeah, I really like the look of that. And then also, if you wanted to, you could always draw the little lines. You could have like two different styles going on together. Helps it make it look a little bit different too, which is nice. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Sorry, I'm going a little fast. But yeah, I just think it looks cute with the little lines like that. So this book has boxes, different sizes of boxes. and different shades. There are other circles too, which I really like using to layer on top of boxes. Those are always fun. You can always take this, actually. Let me grab, let's see which one would work well. Let's do this size. And I'm just gonna cut it in half. So I get like a little half circle. You can do, I was thinking of doing like a header. Little header over here. Maybe do some of the little dashes going this way. So gotta remember, I can do another little remember over here. Or on this one you can do to do. If you don't like your writing, but honestly I think, you know, just with writing, I go a little bit slower. My writing at work is terrible. A lot of people say like they like my writing in my videos, but at work it's like super sloppy. I try to take my time when I'm writing. But if you don't like your writing and you want to do like a sticker on top of there instead of like maybe like a clear header sticker, that's always an option. But I think it's cute to like cut them in half, these circles, and cut them in half. You get two then if you do that. So that's good. There's also, in this book, there's hexagons, which these are fun to use with like, I always like to use these in like a pattern. So I'm just gonna grab different colors. There's 3 different shades in here that I can use and just like start stacking them. In each of these boxes, you could use write-in. So even it looks decorative, but it's functional, which is always the best. Okay, you can like really build on these too. Just gonna cut these off. Okay. Then on this one, you can do the same thing. You can add the lines, or you can just do like little lines on some of them just to make them different a little bit. I think I'll do this one. Like that. And then let's add a little decorative sticker in here as well. Layer that with these. Okay, I think that looks really cute. And then this book has 3 different sizes in here, and you kind of do the same thing that I did with the circles and just cut this in half this way. And now you can do a little header with these 2. I probably would do this more with like against a box. Let's do it this way actually, so you can see it a little bit better. I'm gonna put to do and just draw some lines going around it. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab another box. Let's do this tannish color. Okay, so I have a box, but I think I want to add some washi to make it look like it's being held up by the washi, like that. You can also draw those lines in here if you want to, just to give it some more definition, like that. Let me grab another one. And you can even layer them. I think that would look cute too, layered this way, like stacked on top of each other. Again, with the little washi strip, so it's kind of like it's being held up by the washi, like that. I think that's super cute. All right, so those are some different ways that you can use the shaded boxes from Planything or from any other book that you see. Just some fun little details that you can add to them just to like spice them up a little bit more. That's it. Let me know down in the comments some of the ways that you're using these. I'd love new ideas on how to incorporate these into a spread. I'm sure other people would be interested too. So yeah, definitely make sure to leave those recommendations. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.